In this chapter 4.2A, 2 again, we talk about the revision on equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? In fact, means in triangle with 3 lines are all the same, just like this one. And all these interior angles of this triangle is also 60 degrees, all of them. Okay, so again, we need to put all the information given in the question and also the unknown in the figures. Okay, we have the straight line CDE and the unknown, that is y here. So that's easy, right? Because we have learned that for any equilateral triangle, all the interior angles must be 60 degrees. So we can state that angle ADB 60 degrees. Reason, property of equilateral triangle. And before this, we need to state AB is AD is BD given in order to specify it is an equilateral triangle. Right. So now we have the straight line CD here, then we can say that because this is a straight line, y plus 60 degrees plus 47 degrees is 180 degrees. Reason, adjacent angles on straight line. So y is 180 minus 60 minus 47. Okay, so the answer $70 degrees. Okay. Second question. This time we want to find the unknown to this question and all the information here. So you can see again we have a equilateral triangle here. So this one 6 degrees, right? And also we can see we have a parallel line here. Then first of all we state that BC is BE is CE given. Then we can state angle BC 60 degrees, property of equilateral triangle. Then after we say this, then you can see this one, right? What angle is that? What angles, right? So angle ABE is angle BD. Alternate angles AB parallel DE. So 6y is 60 plus y. So we have 6y minus y give you 60 degrees. So we have 5y is 60 degrees. So y is 12 degrees. Okay. The third question. Again, we have the equilateral triangle here. Right. So for this question, we have the information given, parallel lines and equilateral triangle, and what we want to have this x, right? So if we can think of the logic to find unknowns and figure out the relationship between the unknown and the information given, then we better think of that before we write. Or if you cannot, of course, you can just write what you confirmed, right? So for this one, we confirm that A B is BC is AC different, right? And all these three angles are 60 degrees. Angle ABC is angle ACB, angle CBA 60. Reason: property of equilateral triangle 60. Then put in the figures. Then what do we have? Can you see? Can you? Because they are parallel, right? So this angle must be the same with this one, right? And so does this. This. This one, right? So we can write angle DCA 60 degrees. Reason. Or triangle angles CD parallel AB. Don't mix up all those parallels, right? The blue one, like this. And then the yellow one, angle DAC 60 degrees. Again, alternate angles. This time is BC parallel AD. Okay. So now we have altogether x plus 60 plus 60 plus these two also 60. 180 degrees. Reason: angle sum of triangle. So x gives you 180 minus 60 minus 60 to 60 degrees. Okay. Last question. Then check that we have all those given. Mark on the figures, like this one. So we have BC, BC, BE, CE, and DE, right? And then if you have no idea, then you write all those things given. Or you can think of the logic words, right? Because we have the equilateral triangle, then we have 60, 60, 60, and 60. Oh, yeah, then we can find x. After we find x, right, then we can find this one. After this one, because these two is the same because of the base angles of this isosceles triangle, ECD. Then we can find y. Oh, great. We can find out the logic now. So every time, if you don't really understand, we have two strategies. First of all, you can write all those you know given, okay, or all those you know in the answer first, or you can mark on the figures like what I have just done here. Then you try to figure out any relationship between you know and you want to find and try to bridge that. Okay, so now we can write all those given first. That is BC, CE, CE, CE given. Then we know all the three angles are 60 degrees. Angle BC is angle, CEB is angle, BC 60 degrees. Property of equilateral triangle. And then because remember ABC is a straight line here, such that you can write for x plus 60 degrees is 180 degrees using adjacent angles on straight line. Then you can have 4x is 120 degrees because 180 minus 60 gives you 120, right? So x is 30 degrees, right? Then we have this one, which gives you 120 here. Okay, and because this one like this, so we can have angle EDC is 30 plus 20 give you 50 degrees. It's the flat, so you don't need to write any reason. So after this, you can state that because you have already stayed here, this is an isosceles triangle. So you just write angle ECD is 50 degrees base angles isosceles triangle. So you stay here 50, 50. Then you can find y also. Y is 15 plus 15, 180 is an angle sum of triangle. Then y is just minus, right? 180 minus 50 gives you 80. Okay, that's it.